Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.8 on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. 28.1 is the latest version at the time of making this video. Okay, first verify whether LibreOffice comes as the default application or not on AlmaLinux. So you don't have. Okay, so open the default browser that comes with AlmaLinux 10, that is Firefox. Now go to LibreOffice official website. It is libreoffice.org. See here, the latest release is 25.8. Then click on download, then download LibreOffice. Then select RPM package for the AlmaLinux, Red Hat or Oracle Linux type operating systems. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 233 megabytes. Wait until download completes. It is zip file. Once download completes, then we will untap the start file and we will install LibreOffice 25.8. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. LS. See here we have the LibreOffice 25.8. Okay, unzip this one, tar-LibreOffice, press tar-xf, then LibreOffice, press the tab to autofill entire zip file name, hit enter. LS. Now go to this LibreOffice folder. LS. Now go to this RPMs folder again. LS. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. Sudo RPM -ivh, then --nodeps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the list of the LibreOffice applications. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Go up. LS, these files are not required anymore, so I'm going to remove them to clear the space. RM, then Libre, then press the tab underscore, enter. LS, remove this directory as well. RM-rf LibreOffice, hit enter. LS, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install LibreOffice 25.8.3 on AlmaLinux OS 10.1. but the process is same on all AlmaLinux OS versions. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.